Shanti, Sakar Baba Murli, 28th December 2020. Essence. Sweet children, charity begins at home. This means that you first of all have to make effort to become soul conscious and then tell others. When you give knowledge to others, which concerning yourself to be a soul, the sword of knowledge will be filled with power. Question. By making effort in which two aspects at the conference age, will you become the master of the golden age throne? Answer. First, make the effort to maintain the stage of equanimity in happiness and sorrow, and in praise and defamation. If someone says wrong things or become angry, just remain quiet. Don't respond. Second, make your eyes civil. Criminal eyes should completely finished. We souls are brothers. Give knowledge to others while considering them to be your souls. Make the effort to become soul conscious, and you will become the master of the golden age throne. Only those who become completely pure will be seated on the throne. Essence for Dharna. First, in order to become praiseworthy and worthy of being remembered, become spiritual. Make yourself the soul pure. Make effort to become soul conscious. Second, stay in infinite happiness by practicing Manmana Bhav. Consider yourself to be a soul and talk to souls. Make your eyes civil. Blessing. May you be victorious over a long time and be threaded in the rosary of victory by always paying attention. Those who are victorious over a long time become beads of the rosary of victory. In order to be victorious, always keep the Father in front of you. I have to do whatever the Father has done. At every stage, whatever are the Father's thought, are the children's thoughts. Whatever are the Father's words, are the children's words. Only then will you be victorious. These attentions need to be paid all the time, for only then will you receive the fortune of the kingdom for all time, because as is your effort, so is your reward. If you make efforts all the time, we will then receive the fortune of the kingdom for all the time. Slogan. To, consist, to constantly be present on service is the real proof of love. Once again, to constantly be present on service is the real proof of love. Om Shanti.
नसीब हो मुझको